A very good morning, students. So, for the 10th standard, today's topic is types of acids. Okay. So, first of all, we will give the introduction of the acids, then we will give the introduction of the bases. First of all, we will tell you about the definition of acids. What is the definition of acid? We can say acids are those chemical substances which have a sour taste. Acids having a sour taste means khatta. Acids change the color like a litmus paper is there in chemistry lab. One is blue paper, second is red paper. When we are putting any substance we have taken and we have take blue also and red also. If the blue color is changes into the red, it means it is blue to red, it means it is an acid. You can see it here. Acids change the color of blue litmus to red litmus. Red color it will change. If red color is coming from blue to red, if red is coming, it means the thing is a acid. For an example, if I have taken the lemon juice I have taken and I am put it this litmus paper. The color changes. First of all, you take the red color. No reaction will be formed. If reaction formed, then use the blue. Second one, use the blue one. When you will put the blue, it automatically changes. When you're putting in the lemon juice, it automatically changes into the red. So some examples are coming here. Raw mangoes, raw grapes, raw lemon, orange, tomato, that is imli. In English it is called, in Hindi imli. So this is the acids. In the acids, now one is the organic acid. The acids present in plant materials and animals. Now in this one, in organic acid, what we can say, which is present in the plant material, from the plant as well as from the animals it is coming, that is called as the organic acids. In organic acids, some examples are there, that is a citric acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, etc. These are the organic acids. Next, we are telling you about the mineral acids. The acids prepared from the mineral of earth, means those things which we have taken from the earth is called as mineral acids. So now we can say, in a mineral acids, the acids prepared from the mineral of the earth, means it is coming from the earth. These are called as the mineral acids. Some examples are there, that is HCl, the hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, HNO3, this is the nitric acid. Now let's we tell about the types of acid. One is the strong acid, second is the weak acid. Strong acid are completely which is ionized in water, means it is fully dissolved in water, soluble and soluble also in water, fully dissolved in water, and produces a large amount of hydrogen ions. Means what the thing is coming, the large amount of hydrogen ions are present, as you are seeing here. H positive ions are present in a strong acid. Okay, so let's take a one example over here. HCl, it was in a aqueous form. We can take as H positive plus Cl negative. Now let's we take about the weak acid. First of all, you should know by the strong acids, it is completely ionized, but in this one it is not completely ionized, it is partially ionized in water, and thus produces a small amount of hydrogen ions. In this one, more amount of hydrogen ions are present, in this one a less amount of hydrogen ions are present. Acetic acid is partially ionized in water to produce a small amount of hydrogen ions. Example, CH3COOH. This reaction, this arrow is said to be the forward arrow. Forward arrow. Second is the backward arrow. CH3COO minus is, it was in aqueous form. H positive also in aqueous form. H positive is the hydrogen ion. This is acetate ions and this is the acetic acid. So it gives strong acid as well as weak acid. So till now we have completed the introduction of acids. Now next we are telling about the bases. What is the meaning of the bases here? Bases are those chemical substances which having a bitter taste. Now they not having a sour taste. Sour taste is in acids. They having a bitter taste, and when we having a bitter taste, na, they are feeling soapy to touch. Like soap is there, when we are putting wet soap, when we are putting in our hands, it becomes soapy. Okay, so same thing is happen in the bases also. It is a when we are touching it, it form a soapy solution like. So it is a bitter taste. All bases change the color of red to blue. Same thing I will tell to you. Any substance if we have taken, those substance we are using the litmus paper. After taking the litmus paper, if red is changed into the blue, it means it is a basis. Now confirmation says about this thing that acids change the color blue to red. Acids change the color blue to red. This is the confirmation. And in bases change the color red to blue. This is all understood. Bases are opposite of acids. This is also be correct because they both are opposite to each other. All metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. Okay, metal oxides as well as hydrogen metal oxides is a basis. Some examples over here, that is sodium oxide Na2O, sodium hydroxide NaOH, NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide. Bases are also of two types. One is a strong base, second is a weak base. In this also we are using the partially ionized and completely ionized. So let's see here. A base which completely ionizes in water and thus produces a large amount of hydroxide ions. Now in the acid we form the H positive ions, but in the bases we are forming the OH ions. Okay, so here we are putting OH minus is called strong bases, or for strong bases we can say strong alkalis also. The second name of base we can say it is an alkali. Example here is NaOH plus KOH, NaOH, KOH, etc. No need to write here plus, arrow, that is comma is there. Next is weak bases. A base is which is partially ionized in water. Partially means not fully, and thus produces a small amount of hydroxide ion. In this one more amount of hydroxide ions is present, in this one less hydroxide ions are present, is called as weak bases. Example here NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide. CaOH2, this is calcium hydroxide. Okay, till now today we have completing this till introduction of strong bases and strong acids. So these things students please write down in your copy, and some homework also I will give to you. Those things also you have to write down in your fair copy. Thank you and have a nice day.